Once an order has been approved, it is likely you'll start to receive product in your warehouse. Many companies call this cross-dock, where the product comes in, is temporarily stored, and goes back out. For this exercise, we don't need to do a full inventory, but we do want to keep track of what has come in general, tag it, and know where it's at in the warehouse so we can pull it at the time of the job. To perform this, we'll go to the Orders module, highlight the order for which the job is going to be received, and click Build Ticket from Order. When we click Build Ticket from Order, we'll get to choose from templates. In this case, I'll choose a receiving ticket. We'll give the ticket a short description so we know in general what it is, and you'll see that the ticket gets the same number as the order for easy reference. You'll also see that the ticket is automatically connected to the order, so when we go to pull a warehouse report later, the system knows which tickets are connected to the order, so we can give you a nice report. Shipments come in two ways. Sometimes they are inbound, meaning we can predict that they're on their way, and other times they just show up unexpectedly. In this example, we'll assume we know that they're coming, so we'll leave the status as inbound, and we'll simply choose the estimated arrival date, the manufacturer, and how many truckloads we think are coming in with this shipment. At this point, we can click Save and Close, and if we go to the Tickets module, the system will show us that we have an inbound ticket coming in. And we can also pull a report of all the tickets that are expected to be received on a given day so that we can help the warehouse plan manpower. We'll do one more example of this by going back to the order, building ticket from order, and we'll say that we have seating coming in as well. In this case, the shipment has actually shown up, so we'll simply choose Shipment Received, go to Forms, say that it came in from Herman Miller, it was a quarter truck. And for general reporting purposes, we're going to want to fill out some general receiving information. We'll want to know exactly what day it came in so we can run reports to find things that have been here longer than 30 days. We'll want to know the carrier that it came in so we can start to track problems like shipping damage. In this case, we have 20 chairs that came in. We know that there are a total of 20 pieces and it's taking up 80 square feet in our storage. And we'd like to put a tag on each of those chairs. So we're going to say 20 tags need to be printed. In this example, we're just going to give a general warehouse location and say that they are back in area A1 and 2. You're likely to get a bill of lading with this shipment. So we'll grab the bill of lading, scan it, and put it into the bill of lading folder. If we go to Overview, IQ will automatically build a receiving ticket that you can send to your customer. If you're a dealer, you'll want to send this internally to order processing. In addition to this receiving ticket, you can print out labels. Here, we will print PDFs to show that this is item 1 of 20, 2 of 20, etc. You can print these out on a standard printer and tape them onto the items to make sure that you don't lose them and you know whose they are. Let's now go to the Tickets module and assume that the systems furniture came in. We'll change that to Shipment Received. We'll go to Forms and perform the same process of choosing the dates that it came in, the carrier, manufacturer PO, how many skids, cartons, total pieces, and how many square feet it's going to take up in the warehouse, in addition to how many labels we'd like to print. Again, we would upload a bill of lading, go to the overview, and when we save this, it'll automatically be sent to the dealer or internally, depending on the type of company you are. Save and close. When it comes time to pull this product, we're going to go to the order, highlight it, and we're going to choose a view called Warehouse. This pull view will show us not only the work order and some general information such as what job it's being shipped to, but we'll also list out each of the tickets, giving you a short description, how large it was, how many skids and cartons you should be looking for, how many labels were printed, and in general, where to find that in the warehouse. IQ does handle things such as damage tracking, partial pulls, etc. But for this demonstration, we'll keep it to the basics.